Fifth time, we have one out the gate, Kevin Forrest, pulled to 310 feet plus. All right, Kevin bringing our elevator over here on the track, super track.